So, hello guys. The topic which we are going to do is how recursion works internally. Okay, it's one of the most important topic and it's also difficult. So, first of all, we need to understand what stack is. So, stack is a memory maintained by system for method invocation. Basically, stack में क्या होता है स्टैक फॉलोज लाइफो लाइफो मीन्स लास्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट जो सबसे लास्ट में अंदर जाएगा वो सबसे पहले बाहर आएगा. ओके, इन स्टैक basically the elements which are added to the stack, the methods which are added to stack, it refers to the push. The methods which are released from the stack is known as pop. Okay, so basically we have four methods: main method, bar method, do work method and do more method. So basically we are using the four methods. This main method is calling the bar method, and this bar method is executing a code that is system.out.println hi. Okay, then the bar method is calling the another method do work, and this do work method is executing a code that is by. This do work method is calling the another method that is do more method, and do more method is executing a code that is thanks. Okay, and finally the do more method is not calling any other method. It's basically executing a code, executing a statement that is sorry. So basically in today's lecture we will learn that how the recursion works internally using a stack, like how basically it executes the statement when a method calls the another method. The main method is calling the bar method. Okay, is calling the bar method, and this bar method is executing a code hi. Okay, so basically when the main method calls the bar method, okay, here the bar method is being executed, but we need to execute this statement also. So to execute this statement we will save this main method in the stack so that later this main method can be executed. Okay, then the bar method is calling the do work method. Okay, so where is the do work method? Here is the do work method, but the statement of the bar method needs to be executed. So to execute this statement we will save this bar method into the stack so that later it can be executed. First the main method was stored in the stack. Okay, the main method was stored in the stack, then later the bar method is stored in the stack, and now the do work method. Now coming to the do work method, here it is the do work method is calling the do more method. Okay, so but we need to execute this statement first, so we will store the do work method into the stack. Okay, and this will be executed, and the do more, then the do more method, it is not calling any method, so basically this statement will be executed directly. So I already told you that how this stack works. जो सबसे लास्ट में आता है सबसे पहले वो ही जाता है. अब सबसे पहले कौन सा आया था? मेन मेथड, फिर आया था बार मेथड, फिर आया था डू वर्क. अब सबसे बाहर जाएगा सबसे पहले डू वर्क मेथड. सो डू वर्क की स्टेटमेंट क्या है? डू वर्क की स्टेटमेंट है थैंक्स. ओके, तो सबसे पहले हमारे पास थैंक्स एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, अब डू वर्क की जो एग्जीक्यूशन हो गई, अब डू वर्क के बाद बार मेथड एग्जीक्यूट होगा, तो बार मेथड की स्टेटमेंट क्या है, दैट इज बाय। तो उसके बाद हमारे पास बाय प्रिंट हो जाएगा। अब जब बाय भी निकल गया, डू वर्क भी निकल गया, रह गया मेन मेथड, तो मेन मेथड की स्टेटमेंट क्या है, दैट इज हाई। तो उसके बाद हमारे पास हाई आ जाएगा। तो इसी तरह स्टैक से सारे मेथड्स पॉप हो जाएंगे और प्रिंट हो जाएगी हमारे पास स्टेटमेंट्स। सो फाइनली द आउटपुट विल बी सॉरी, सबसे पहले सॉरी प्रिंट होगा, फिर थैंक्स प्रिंट होगा, फिर बाय होगा, फिर हाई होगा। ठीक है, सो बेसिकली हाउ दिस इज हाउ द रिकर्शन वर्क्स। फॉर रिकर्शन, टू अंडरस्टैंड रिकर्शन वी मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द स्टैक, विच आई विल explain you later on. Thank you.